Hello guys, today we discuss the Lenovo ThinkBook 15G to ITL. It's a Core i7 11th generation 1 TB built-in hard and 8 GB built-in RAM. In this laptop the we upgrade the NVme M2 card to 56 GB for faster speed. First of all, open the alt screw and disconnect the battery point of jack. Open all screw and open the cover very easily and remove the battery jack. Look this, and this is NVme M2 card, and this is installed in laptop. See that is a 256 GB memory NVMe, and install its slot is there. नहीं तो कलर करवा देंगे रे आजकल कलर ही कर देंगे पेंट ही कर It is very easy to install NVMe too, and tight this screw is and cover is closed. See that tight the screw of NVMe card and close its cover, back cover. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. All the screw tight is very carefully. It is very informative video for new user and want to install or upgrade the memory NVMe to 56 GB. It is very easily. It is NVIDIA card built in 2 GB, and power on and press the factory F1 button. Go to setup. BIOS setting goes to BIOS setting. In this laptop we have a feature of thumb lock, face lock. See that NVMe card is perfectly installed. Show that it's. Thank you very much for watching our video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.